How to register for the ACT. First of all, you go to my.act.org. You select I have not taken the ACT before if this is your first time and I'm creating an account for the first time. You provide your first name as it appears in your national ID or passport. The middle initial is optional, you can skip it. You provide your last name, your date of birth, your email, select your country, and this is your address line, for example, Maadi, Cairo, Egypt, and this is a random answer. Your city, your postal code, state, province, or region. Your phone number is optional, you can skip it. You create your password. You check I understand that your information will be processed. You verify by email. Yes, send it there to your email. And then you wait for the email to arrive. You just click the link. It will take you back to the website with the code inserted. Complete my account. You select I have an account and I need to update it. Now your user ID is your email. You sign in. I'm a student, and again this is my country, and this is my school, for example Manarat al-Maadi Language School. Your graduation year, for example 2022. Next. Register for the ACT. It takes about 30 minutes. You need a credit card. This is optional. You don't have to insert your grades and courses. And you need to upload your photo. Begin registering. For example, we are registering from outside the US. If you have a disability, you click yes, accommodation needed. We select here, for example, no. Do you need the essay? Most probably no essay, so select no writing. Then where do you want to take the test? Select city, for example, we select this area. Go. We select this school, we select this date. Add to cart. We proceed to check out. This is optional if you need to add it, but we can save and continue automatically. You can skip many questions if you don't have to answer them. You can add your photo. Accept and use this photo. Then I'm registering myself or my parent, for example. Male. No, Latino or Hispanic background. What is your best language? English. Your first is English. I'm receiving English services at school now. I'm junior, for example. Save and continue. What type of school? You have to answer this question. Your school type, private. In the 10th grade, for example. Save and continue. You got it. Then try to skip all the questions if they are not necessary. Here we have to answer this question. Your college major that you expect. I'm selecting a random answer, for example. And you can say I'm not sure about my answer. Next, next, and so on. Save and continue. But you have to read the terms and conditions of the ACT. Then you select I understand. Now you provide your credit card info, the card holder's name, the card number, when does it expire, and the security code, the address on the credit card, and so on. And you select continue. In this case, your registration is complete and you can print your admission ticket.